Hi guys, Sandra here from createinspain and a quick video on Shortcut Slot 6 Pro and Origin Point. This is designed for those who are new to Shortcut Slot and probably to the Caesar, Julia and Romeo. Okay, so my document page is what you see here. If I change this from A4 to 12 by 12, then you get the 12 by 12 set up. I keep mine set to A4 generally because unless I'm doing some vinyl, A4 is the paper or card size that I habitually use. It makes it a lot easier if this is how you keep it rather than a mat size. You put something on a mat and then you put a different size paper on and you suddenly find yourself cutting in the wrong place. Okay, so cut settings window is where you find your placement for your design. Origin point. The origin point on the Caesar, Julia and Romeo is the bottom left corner of your material. Not the corner of your mat, the corner of your material. Those two things are not necessarily the same place. You may well, as your mat gets older, put your paper in a different spot on the mat. So if you keep it on the mat origin point, you are going to be cutting on your mat and not your paper. So that is where that particular shape would cut. I have cut selection only checked there. So that is where it's going to do. If I switch off that, you get this one cutting at the origin point. You can see here, it's not quite in the origin, but on there, which is the realistic placement, it is on the very, very bottom left. And then that one is cut in relation to that. Now, if you want it to be what you see as is what you get, then you choose this placement and then you will see that that is where that is there, that is there, that is there, and that is there, exactly as it should be. It is what you see on here is what you're going to get there. It's pretty obvious. There is another version which is center point, which cuts from the very center of your design. It can be handy if you're trying to fit something into a small irregular shape, but generally speaking, I keep it either on this one or the origin point. You have mirroring objects on here as well, so you can mirror horizontally or vertically. You might find this handy if you suddenly realize you are cutting out text in HTV, for example. You should have mirrored it, you didn't. Okay, I'll mirror it, and there you go, you have it mirrored. Okay. If you have cut selection only, then only whatever you have selected on here is going to be cut. The same positioning will apply, so it's still on what you see is what you get. If you move it to origin point, it will go back to the bottom left. Wherever it is there, makes no difference, it will cut from the origin. And that is pretty much it. Cut settings and things down here will vary according to what you're actually cutting. That's it for today, short and sweet.